welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see creator search insight on TikTok. To see creator search insight on TikTok, follow the steps. First is launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. What you have to do is go to the Discover tab, tap on the Discover icon at the top right corner of your screen, which is your search icon. What you have to type is creator search .insight and make sure you type the correct. After that, tap on the search, or you could simply type the username of the creator you want to learn about in the search bar at the top and tap on the profile once it appears, or you can simply view the insights over here. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.